His video explains how to create effective product ads in Canva, guiding you through setup, design, animation, and exporting. Begin by opening Canva and selecting the correct ad size or a custom dimension so your final output fits perfectly on the platform you plan to use. You can choose a ready-made template for faster workflow or start with a blank layout if you want full creative control. Keep your design clean by establishing a clear focal point, using balanced spacing, and sticking to a simple color palette that supports your brand identity. Upload your product photos, logos, and brand elements. Apply brand colors and consistent typography to create a professional look. If you don't have a brand kit, select one font for headlines, one for supporting text, and limit your palette to 2 or 3 colors. Write short and compelling copy, a strong headline, a brief supporting line, and a direct call to action. Use alignment tools and ensure good contrast so the text remains readable across devices. To enhance your visuals, use Canva Pro's background remover if available, allowing your product to stand out. Add depth through soft shadows, subtle gradients, or lightly blurred background elements. These touches help keep the focus on your product without cluttering the layout. For video ads, build multiple scenes by adding pages. Duplicate pages to keep style consistency, and adjust images, text, or colors to create a sense of flow. Add simple, clean animations to maintain an engaging pace. Control duration for each scene and incorporate music from Canva's audio library, lowering the volume to keep it supportive rather than distracting. When finished, export your design. Choose MP4 for video ads or JPG/PNG for still images, using high resolution for crisp results. Review your ad on both desktop and mobile devices to ensure clarity, balanced composition, proper timing, and overall visual consistency before sharing it publicly. Check overall flow and brand consistency.